Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial where I will guide you through the step-by-step process of uploading your existing project to a GitHub repository. First, head over to github.com and log on to your account. Once logged in, click on New Repository button. Now you shall need to give your repository a name. This name should be something that relates to your project. Let's call it My Payment Project. You can also add a description if you want. Make sure to select public or private depending on whether you want others to see or not. So I keep it public. Once that is done, scroll down and click create repository. After creating repository, you will see interface something like that. GitHub provide you some commands to add your existing project to GitHub repository. Okay, now we need to upload our existing project. So open the terminal command prompt and navigate to your folder. For example, this is my folder. Here I come, open in terminal. You can copy paste command one by one from here. For example, I write this command. Okay, so next I initialize a git repository. Add, it will add readme file. It will create a main branch for my repository. Okay, now let's add the file from our project to git. So I will give this command. It has added all my file to my repository. Now we need to commit this file. So I type like something like get commit. I give some comments. This commit captures a snapshot of our project file at this point. Okay, so and we already have linked our GitHub repository with our project. So now let's push these files. I copy this command, just go to, I copy this command and just run it. So it has pushed all of my files to GitHub. So let's verify. I refresh my page. And you see all the project files have been uploaded in GitHub repository. So thank you for watching.